All right, guys, welcome to the demo and graduation day.
This is, I think, recently we already mentioned you guys. From now on, because we have changed the course into the like a modular based system, so that means students can take specific module and then skip some of them if they want to finish the course faster. So that's we recently did that, and because we have that modular based system to study, that means students have time. If they want to take longer time to finish, they are welcome. Versus if they want to finish earlier, they can finish earlier their training. So in order to be graduated, all they need is they have to do the final project, group project, and capstone project. So if they can finish early, we will welcome them to do the graduation. So that's why we plan to do graduation every second, second month here, around 8 to 10 weeks time. So anybody ready, they can do demo. That means one benefit, anybody can demo at any time. We'll record the video, put into the YouTube, and then give it sent to the employers showing our group project or individual project. So the drawback is it's not gonna be big demo day as it used to be. All right, again, guys, welcome to demo and graduation day. I'm really excited today. Would have loved to see you all guys here, but because some of you are not in even in Sydney and not even in Australia, so it's okay to do global demo day. So here's the quick agenda here. We're gonna do solo project demo, 7 to 10 minutes per person. I don't think many of you are doing demo in solo project, but that's completely okay. And 5 to 7 minutes for the demo, where you would be showing your project basically, and make sure it's running first. So entire project, if you have a presentation slide, it's a best that you walk through what you have done it, why you did it, and what you learned during that time. So that will be like overview for anybody who's watching for the first time your demo, so they know what is your skill sets and what is your capacity they're going to see next. And then walk through the project demo and wait for at the end, wait for 2 to 3 minutes, quick Q&A for any of us who have any question or want to ask something about specific part of the project, or we might ask you to show the code so that that shows you have the depth skills. And we'll move to the group project, and group project gonna be more longer. So 12 to 15 minutes each project or each group presentation, where 8 to 10 minutes for the demo, project walkthrough, feature, and then team roles. So as you know, in the group project, we have like most of the team member be holding lead role with the developer. So the project manager will explain the project quickly and then hand over to each team member to quickly explain who they are, what their contribution on the project. And later on in the demo project, individually who have done a specific part of the feature, you can quickly walk through that project. So you can go in that order. So everybody get chance to express their skills and experience, especially involving on the project. And if you remember answering those questions in the form, that will really help you how to answer or explain the project. Then later on, we will do certificate handover. So most of you are online, so you will get a email with the certificates in a couple of days, including Stan here who is doing demo in person. But if you are coming in person, or if you are in person, you'll be given the well-framed certification, and which is like pride to keep it. And keep one thing in mind that uh, our industry, they value your experience, project showcase, then the certification, but still it is certification that you earn it. So of course we will want to keep the certificate as well. All right, so this is what your certificate gonna look like. And here's the detail and things. So first we want to do the individual solo project. So this one we have here. Satish, are you on? All right, Satish, welcome to your demo. I hope you have done a good job with the demo. So take no longer than 7 to 10 minutes. I'll try to wrap up in that time, walk it through the project, and then I'll give some quick feedback later on, and we'll go from there.
Today, this is Satish Boga. Today, I'm going to discuss about my project, which is Amazon Web Services. Actually, it's an e-commerce website, which is full stack MERN. MERN stands for MongoDB, Express, and React and Node.js. And it's an individual project, and it's presented by me, Satish Boga. And here an agenda, we have introduction, what's in the project and how it works in the front end and the back end, and the tech stack deep dive. That means we have what are the technologies that I have used to develop this project, front end and the back end. And the user roles, usually user roles that have seller and buyer, and how what are their roles and what are their interfaces. Usually in the Amazon website, we have admin and user interface, but in my project, I have used as a seller and buyer. Okay, and key features as buyer versus seller is the next agenda, and how the data flows from the backend to the API flow. I would like to explain in the next slide, and some of the examples that I have taken from the project examples and screenshots. I would like to explain those as well during the uh, and here, what are the introduction and overview? Here, I'm going to explain a detail about man, which is stands for MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. MongoDB is a database which is uh, stores the data as a JSON files, like an object, and the Express, which is built on Express is a infrastructure which is built on Node.js, and the React is used in the user interface, which builds the a front end, how it looks like, and the features as well. And also in the front end, I'm going to explain about the seller management and the user management as well. And here, in the mentions goal, seamless CRUD operations, user authentication, and the cart, checkout, and also I have a dashboard for the user. So who can use the dashboard? Who can like a buyer and the seller? They have individual dashboard. For the seller, he can see total sales and uh, for the from the buyer side and the seller side. The seller also can buy the products from the store, and also he can sell the store. Buyer only can buy the products, but he can't sell the products. And in the next section, I can see tech stack breakdown. MongoDB, no SQL document storage, which stores as I earlier told you, it's a JSON file, like an object. We can store the data at the backend. Express is Node.js and runs on Node.js, API server routing, and it acts like a middleware. React is a front end sparse for both seller and buyer. Redux toolkit, which is a state. Instead of we are using a local state, like use state, we are building up the Redux toolkit, which stores the data at the front end, like large amount of data we can store, and we can access those data in different pages, different components as well. And others is Stripe for the payment. I have used the Stripe platform for the payments, and the JWT for authentication, login and login and logout purpose, and Node Mailer, which is another platform, um, where we can, instead of using real time Gmail ID, we are using different platform for the sending the mails and mail verification links for the login purpose and the logout purpose. And the dependencies that I have used in the user interface: Redux Toolkit, Stripe, Axios, and the Bootstrap, Chat.js, React Router DOM, icons, Toastify, and the backends that we have. Uh, Yes, give me a minute. Bcrypt.js. I would like to explain few of the things. Bcrypt.js is used to change the password into encrypt the password and decrypt the password that comes from the user interface who are going to log in. And the course is the middleware, which connects the two links, like user interface HTTP localhost to the backend Express, and Joy is used for Joy validation of JSON. What we are getting, like object that you are getting from the front end, which used to validate the object and gives to store in the backend. And JSON Web Tokens and Mongoose, Morgan, Node Mailer, as I have told you earlier, and NodeMonth, Slagify, Stripe, UUID. And the next slide, we are going to explain about the user roles and routing. Buyer have UI browse. He can browse the products, and he can search the products and view the products details, and he can add to the cart and check out, and then he can also see his order history, what he had buy on the order history in his page. And the seller UI, he has managed products. He can create the products, he can create the categories, and he can view orders, update statuses, analytics, and total sales. And also, he can do the same thing like buyer, view product details, and add to the cart, checkout, and order history. And in the key features and comparisons, I'm going to compare the features like authentication, product interaction, purchasing flow, data insights between buyer and the admin. Admin means here we have a seller. So sorry, I would have changed the name, but it's seller. And buyer have authentication, and also admin have authentication, but role protection. And the product interaction is browse. Buyer can browse, filter, and add to the cart. Admin can create, update, and detail the products. Purchasing flow, checkout, and the payment. And for admin flow, he can also check out and payment and also order processing. And data insights, order history. For the admin, I have a dashboard for sales analytics and user management. So in data and API flow, here is the diagram which can explains how the data flows from React, like in the front end UI and to the MongoDB through the Express.js, which runs on the platform Node.js. And you can also say include JWT authentication and protected routes for admin endpoints. And here I'm going to um, some of the screenshot that I have told you earlier. This is the home page, how it look like. And here I use the use selector, which grabs the product list from the store, which was stored in the Redux store. So I'm using the use selector by using use selector from React, fetching the data from the Redux store and displaying in the home page. And the next screenshot I'm going to explain is seller dashboard. Here, by using line graph chart, day by day sales of seller by fetching the data from the sales database, which is stored in the sales schema at the backend. And here the chart data line that I have used in the dashboard. And the user interface, front end. What are the pages that I have created in the front end are seller sign up, seller sign in, user sign up, dashboard, homepage, verify email, reset password, product, add product, category, edit category, cart, order history, review table, product landing page, checkout page, and search page. And the components which are help to uh, look better and also look better the pages that's the components used to help. So here are the charts and the review stars, checkout form, custom card is the card used to display the user sign up pages, login sign up pages for custom card. And the custom model which used to pop up the window on the front end, like while checkout while doing the checkout, we can pop up the window of card. So custom model is used for that. And private route, if your private route is used to for the seller, only can seller can access by and the user router only can access by using this user route. So and the next slide we have is backend. Backend server router. What I have used in the backend is user, product, payment, review, category routers, and the models which are used for the user is user model and schema, product model and schema, category and sales schema, review model, session model and schema, and the middlewares that I have used for authentication for middleware and the Bcrypt for the password encryption, Joy validation to validate the data from that we are getting from the front end, and JW helper, which creates the JWT authentications to verify the user from the front end that and verify the user what we are getting the data from the front end. JWT helper is used for that, and known bearer which is used to send the email links, and random OTP generator. Its OTP generator is used to when you are going to change your password or you are going to change your data of user. So random OTP generator is used. So using that OTP generator, you can uh, insert the OTP and then you can access what you're going to just edit the user items. So, and this is all about the project. And thank you. And here I'm going to show my website. This is my website homepage. Here
Okay.
there is a sign up page. You can click on it by signing in. There is accounts and list you can only access after signing in. Returns and orders as well. We can only access after signing in. So yeah, I'm going to sign out. This is a sign in page.
Okay.
And if you have a data, you can sign in straight away, continue, or else if you forgot the password or anything, you can reset now. And if you don't have an account, you can create your new Amazon account by going through this. And if you have, this is for buyer. If you are want to become a seller, so you can sign up by using seller sign up here, and you can go into that as well. So it's just for seller sign up. Otherwise, you can go to if you have accounts, seller sign in. And this is for I have a seller. I'm going to sign in. 1, 2, 3. Yeah,
Mm.
it will take you to the home page. From the home page, you can go to the dashboard by clicking on accounts and lists. So here is the dashboard. You can see total sales that the seller sale. These are the total sales by the date 8, 8, and also 9 of the month. You can see these ones and the categories, phones. What are the categories that I have created? The seller has created. These are the categories. You can add new category as well by clicking on this. And the products you can add this just saying whatever the product, add a product. You will display the add product and select the category, and you can add whatever you want and the price, on sale, discount, latest, and the description. You can choose fine. And you asked me to change the thumbnail to the files farm data.
Mm-hmm.
By using farm data, I have changed it to files images, so that
Okay.
in that way I am displaying the products in an easy way. And the front end looks good, better than thumbnail. And the
Okay.
payment
So, where are the existing product? I don't see any of them.
existing products. Oh, I haven't displayed on the page. Oh, in the bottom right, you're saying?
Yes, maybe continue developing to show that. Yeah.
Yeah, I will do that one. It's just I can copy paste from the category. It's easy, but okay, I'm sorry for that. And the
No
order,
problem. Just before I
yeah,
forget. So.
yeah, I will do that. And the orders, you can see what are the orders you have made, and you can
Mhm.
submit the review, give a review by having, you can say, some title and select the,
Okay. Nice.
yeah, submit a review. Review has been submitted,
Okay.
and you can see these reviews on the reviews table.
Okay.
You can change the status. Are you sure you want to change?
Yeah.
And it goes to inactive. If you want to delete, you can delete the.
Okay. Cool.
And the my profile, in my profile, user profile, you can update your details. You can change your password. In those, you'll get a OTP so that you can use that OTP and you can change your profile and the change password.
Mm-hmm.
And here I will going to show how to check out. Here you can see different images.
Okay.
I just added two for just example. I have not built fully.
Sure.
I just added two
No problem.
images, and you can add this to cart.
Mm-hmm.
You can increase the items, you can decrease, or you want to delete, you can delete. I will set up the thing later, because when you are deleting, it will go. Actually, it has to go to the dashboard or the home page, but I will change it later.
Okay.
And proceed to checkout.
Yes.
By going to checkout, you can add the details, user details, delivery details. By using this address, it will ask you to add card details.
Mm-hmm.
54545455. Oh, sorry. 45454. Yeah. Your ad has been processed successfully, and it will
Okay.
take you to the homepage.
Oh, okay.
And it will see app as well.
So you can see the order in your order history page in your
I see.
dashboard.
Yeah, I will show you that one. Yeah. This is a dashboard. You got another new one,
Mhm.
which is purchased. Yeah. One,
Then you
two,
go to the order tab on the left.
order tab. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
There's a new one.
Can you view the detail of the order?
No, I can't.
Not yet. It's fine.
Not yet. Not yet.
All right, guys. Next, we have Bisesh. So let's get Bisesh to do the presentation.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Bisesh Adhikari, and I've been learning in Dented Code Academy since 1 year. And I find this place very exciting and so much fun. So with the help of this academy, I have been able to build my solo e-commerce project, which I'm going to showcase in this screen. So actually, this project is for my own shop in Nepal, which is related to electronics products and items. So this project is built with Monstack, and I have integrated some payment solutions as well, which I'll talk later. And so for the front end, I have implemented React and Bootstrap. Also, I have used Redux query. And for the backend, I have used Node.js, Express, and MongoDB. And I made it responsive, secure, and it's also scalable. And its core features as we can categorize the products and listings. We can buy or sell, and we have a cart. We can go to the cart, and we can also go to the checkout. We can we also have something called offers and hot deals section, which in some type of season, in festive season or some occasion, we can definitely can buy with this. And also we have order management system with the help of admin feature. And also we have I have implemented JWT for authentication of users and admins. For the admin dashboard, I have made charts showing what are the how many numbers of users are there and what are the products. And also we can track it, and also we can update or delete or deals and offers. And for the payment system, we have I have implemented Khalti and also Iseva, which is most popular in Nepal. Also, I have implemented some new feature like cash on delivery because everybody cannot pay online. So I think that will be easier for the customer to interact with. So some of the highlights of the UX UI are it's built with Bootstrap for responsive design, and also background of the UI is clean so that it will be easier for users to access it. Also, we have product page with images and details of the products and features description listed below. And also we have this page with dynamic offers. And I already talked about this front end, back end. Just this is the list of them. This is B&B Electronics, means Bisesh and Bibek. Bibek is my brother, so this is the name of our brand. And we can see our carousel here. And I have also implemented this AI chatbot. So if we type something here, it will say, thank you, we'll get back to you soon. And also you can contact in this email or this phone number. And when you first refresh the page, we can see something called view hot deals, which we can see which are in the offer right now. It will not be for long term, just for now what we have implemented. So we can see here cross mark is little bit higher and discounted price is little bit lower. So we can see all of them are electronics item, and if we click in one of them, we can go to the cart and we can give rating, we can give review, and we can add to cart and proceed to checkout. Before proceeding to the checkout, I have implemented we need to log in because everybody can go and without logging they can do anything. They can buy multiple things and they can make the. So yeah, we can type here our address and we can continue. It will ask for if it's e-seva, Khalti or cash on delivery. It will pop up like this. So you can click on Khalti and then continue. And first it will ask for some items to be selected. Let's select this one. You can add to cart, you can delete this item as well.
Do the delivery on cash on delivery?
Yeah.
Can you add a couple of product and do cash on delivery?
We can add the product, we can go to checkout, and
Cash on delivery, the last one.
if we go to cash on delivery, then it will pop up some message saying thank you for choosing cash on delivery. Our team will contact you shortly. You can mark it as paid offline, and once this is paid, then we can also mark it as delivered. Unless if it's not mark as paid, we cannot mark it as delivered. And once we did that, then automatically we will send the mail to the user saying your item has been paid and thank you for choosing us. And also when we deliver it, the system will automatically send them message saying your item has been delivered. Please.
And just a second, the mark as delivery, why this button showing up here? Because this is the client who is just processing order.
This is only for admin.
Because you are admin, that's why you?
Yeah, I'm admin. So we have option. We can go to dashboard, and this is the real data.
Nice.
So we can see order status chart, and we can see products per category. Which brand is it? Is it vehicle or is it mobile accessories? Also, we can see orders per day, and we have something called revenue over time. This is for the overall dashboard. And for the admin, we can go to user list. Here we can see if the person is admin, it will be shown as ticked. If it is not admin, it will be cross, and we can edit the user, and user will be able to update the profile picture as well, and they can change their password or The password, I think in this case only email or and name. Also we can delete the user. First it will ask us to confirm it. If we click OK, the user will be deleted. And next is we can go to our order list. And in the order list, if the item is paid, it will show the date when it's paid, and if it's delivered, also it will show the date, and we can click here and we can make it mark as paid and mark as delivered. And finally we have message, something called message. If the user once the chatbot, they are sending the message through chatbot, it will be stored in this message, and we can see the message, what is the message and when they send it, and the name of the person as well. And we can delete this message as well. First it will ask for confirmation. Once we click, then it will be deleted. And for the home page, also you can search the products. If we click anything, based on that, the products will be pop up. And for the home page, we have carousel here, and this is all the bonus item only for the limited time. If we buy iPhone, then we can get free earbuds. So if we click here, it will go to the iPhone and earbuds section. And to limit the page, we have enabled this as well. So we can go to the next page. And for the latest products, which the products are the latest, it will be shown based on the latest. So yeah, we have this. We can go to the other pages, and this is the carousel. And for the admin, I think profile, yeah, we can change our profile. And if we try to change the profile, it will be changed successfully. If we click, profile picture will upload. If we refresh and if we check, our profile picture will be already updated.
Where is the, do you have a way to add the product?
Yeah. Here, you can create product.
How did you get in there? I didn't see the menu.
In the admin, only for the admin, we have in the profile, we have something called edit products.
Okay.
And if we go here, we can create the product from here. First it will ask, and it will first give a sample product, and we need to go there and we need to edit.
Go to that.
And
Sample
we can change the file, we can add the name, what is the product, what is the price, image, and count in stock, which category it belongs to.
So go to order again. Can you?
Order list.
So can you have it on the review, leave review?
Review. So you want me to give review? You can give rating.
But can you give it to any product?
Yeah.
Well, you should not be able to give product review unless you have bought it.
Yeah.
So
yeah, maybe I have implemented something. Yeah.
Okay. And what can I see that review in the front end? As a normal user.
Yeah, in the front end. If we click the product, then we can see. Yeah.
Show me the review that you just gave before.
I forgot which item was that. Give again. Yeah, in here. I just gave 3 star and I write good.
So this is the product landing page, is it?
Yeah, product, yeah, detail basic.
Okay.
We can add here detail.
So that,
If it's not in the stock, we cannot click add to cart.
okay. But the review form shouldn't be there, yeah? We need to move that to, okay, I'll give you some thing to improve later on. Okay, anything else you have to share?
We can reset our password. Then send our email here and it will be transferred to our Gmail, and from there we
Mhm.
can change our password. Yeah, I think that's all.
That's all?
Yeah.
All right, no problem. That's a great product.
Okay, so let's jump into the group project then. And in the group project, we're gonna do first in-person group demo. You didn't fill up the form, Bibek. That's why I couldn't find your last name. So I was just copy pasting it. So we have actually 3 groups here, but one group wasn't sure, so I just put dash there. And I said completely okay. That's why we have another demo in another 2 months time. Build the project, make it better, what's showing it. So group 1, Manoj, Adhikari, and Bibek. Hamal. Okay, I got confused with another Bibek.
There's another.
Yeah, so yeah, Bibek Hamal. It's not fair. There you go. Did I spell right? Okay, Vivek Kamal. That's the first demo. We're gonna have it in person, and then later on group 2, Dinesh, Mahesh, Shekhar, Kovid, and Satish. Did I miss anybody in the group 2?
No.
Okay, great. And then group 3, I don't want to write the name, so they initially fill up the form, but not gaining much confidence to do the demo. So I said, you are welcome. All right. With that saying, let's actually call out Manoj and Bibek to do their demo. You guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, please come in.
So, hi everyone. We are group 1. So, see where
Manoj.
yes, Manoj and that's his Vivek. So we were in the class from the last week of January. So it's been like 7 months that we have been with Dented Code. And so this is our group project, and our group project was to create a e-commerce website and admin side CMS. So that's us, that's him and me, with this Crowley here and me. Yeah. So we at first the most important thing we learned is that while creating a big project, we have to come up with the plan during the first month. So it took us two months to build this project, and the most important thing I think we learned is that to plan and to execute that plan at the beginning. If we don't plan, then later on it will be really difficult for us to execute those plans. But we did came up with we did reflected all the challenges and made this website. So the project architecture is so admin side and client side has a different APIs, and every database are stored on MongoDB through different points. Yeah. So project architecture and overview. So a bit about itself. The project architecture that we use is Express APIs and Mongoose models. So to store the users, products, categories, and orders, we use JWT token when logging in, so that it will the route will be protected. Yes. The other services that we used are Node Mailer to send the emails, to send the verification mail, and to send the confirm order and stuff like that. And the other one is Stripe, because to make the payments. So app writing and middleware. So for this we use course JSON parsing and mount domain routes. The reason why we use these are to make sure that the errors are being handled properly. And so the third one is configuration and environment. So the reason why we use this is because we want to secure our APIs keys and other keys, so that it won't be seen by others and
Public or client.
yes, obviously, yeah. And user model and password hashings. So a user, when a user gives all their emails and stuff, their passwords should be hashed, so that even we as a developer don't see the passwords and it gets hashed, right? Yeah. So how we do is by using Bcrypt. So JWT and protect middlewares. That's what we use. So our JWT tokens will be secured, and we even have protected middlewares to protect all the data. So the auth flow is when a user sign in, he or she gets a verification email, and through the verification email, a user can log in and get onto the website. So product and category endpoints. As we know that as our e-commerce website, we sell products, and we have our products and category endpoints. So every product should get onto their categories as well. And we used get product and IDs to pinpoint the exact endpoint of every products and categories. And we even have a feature called review, in which when a user gives a review, it goes to the backend, and it goes to admin side, and we have to approve it. Yes. So um, the other one is order. When a user orders up, um, um, the user's details such as addresses, shippings, details, it saves up to the backend and it goes on to the admin side as well. And the last one is a payment. We use Stripe payment and we use the demo APIs to get our stripes. And I think front end will be explained by Bibek.
So yeah, I'll try to explain whatever we have done for the front end as well. So for this app, we have used the latest React 19, React 7, the actual gate, and we're using Carb via Cortex API, local storage, and it's just it's processor where we're keeping our error and reflect. So yeah, and we're using params and source query for fetching a data from the body or the links. And we're using protected routes before rendering any sensitive data. So yeah, for the modern JS patterns, we have used ES modules, async and await, no callback pyramids, for immutability via spread map filter, keeping state predictable, and optional chaining and noticing cool skin for safe UI. This is just the example for the use state pattern. We just put it there to make a slide longer. That's very in depth. This is the way that we are
Just trying to explain what
use effect correctly.
Yes.
We are fetching on mounting, deep changing, listing all the dependencies, cleaning up with abort controller, and clearing timeout for demands. And one responsibility for effect to keep logic clear and simple. And we are using memo, callback, and reference. Use memo for SPLC derived values, example totals. Use callback for stable functions, identities, past achievement. Gain WGS for DOM manipulation, focusing timers or previous values. So here's our little diagram to capture that. And here you have this custom book, encapsulating repeated loading into testable book. Carb proceed to local storage API predictable that it add, update, and remove, and debounce book reuse in nearby sort and filter, making it easy for everybody. Redux for a server truth, user categories, product, and local state for ephemeral UI inputs and toggles. Async function handles IO reducers, and this is our checkout flow where clients will coordinate server prices and PI created, and that will confirm the order, normalizing address before sending, handling errors visibly, and clearing cart and route to order history and success. And this is the UX state and reviews order where pattern is loading, empty error, success for listing, and reviews, post reviews that will send bearer as well, and orders, get orders with the bearers, and toast global inline field errors, local for clarity.
So this is the admin site, admin portal, and this is our e-commerce website. So as you can see, this is our hero advertising page, and these are our products. So we sell tech essentials, and there are categories and there are subcategories on it as well, as you can see. And if you search products, we can get products as well. So these are the products. So let's try to log in. Yeah, my Gmail address has already been.
Just use that has already set up like.
We're using NodeMailer, but at the deployment, we changed it to Gmail for the real world use.
Okay. So it's now coming from the live hosted AWS.
Yes, we hosted it on AWS. So if anyone has a link, so they can log in as well. So they can get a JWT token, which is refreshed, and so as you can see, when I add the stuff, it goes in cart. So they can get a JWT token, which is refreshed, and so as you can see, when I add the stuff, it goes in cart. So stuffs, the products has been added. When you go in, just add product. And when you check out, you can add the customer details. Let's just add my details. We have used a demo test model for Stripe. So let's do it. 127, 123.
Yeah, month and date has to be in future date, and CBC any number.
Let's add Hari. Let's change the detail. So when you place an order, so the order has been placed. So as you can see, the previous orders you can track the previous orders as well. And so this one is the order that I made right now. It's on pending, and if you go on track, we can track the product. So let's go and try the admin side. So admin side is it's on AWS as well. So when you log in, this is my admin. This is our admin dashboard. And if you go on to the orders, yes, let's go and search the last one we made. Sorry. Well, I think it's probably this one. Yeah. So if you view it, it will show the user details, user address, for which the admin has to ship, and when it's proceed, and it has to be shipped. If you ship it, then if you look at the client side, it says it has been shipped, and when you go on track, it wasn't tracked. And even you can track the product from admin side and from client side as well. When you go on track, that's what we have made. And so go on admin side and make it delivered. So it has been delivered. So go on it has been delivered. So the other features of admin sites are it shows off the users and how much money they have spent, and the reviews. Let's see the reviews. It's nice one. So it goes submitted. It goes up to the admin if they want to approve it or not. And if you refresh this, so it's just pending. So when you view it, it writes down what the product's review is. When you approve it, it's gonna show up on the client side. Yes. Oh my God, is this the one?
No, because you gave it 4.
Let's try for this one.
So it's headphone maybe and buying phones.
Yeah. Sorry.
No, that's not this one. I think the first one. Or
Let's just give review for this one. So when you go ahead inside and just refresh it.
I just filter it.
Pending.
Can you press this lens?
This one. This one. Okay, so these are showing the pending one. Maybe the API is a bit slow. So you can view it, you approve it, and so it shows up on the review as well. And if you look at it shows up as well. The other features of admin side are when we can add products here as well. It's running pretty well. This is add a product. Say Bibek. Bibek. Yes. This is a million. Okay. So let's just say let's add a photo here. Say this one. So network. So network says here.
It's fine. So it happens on the demo always.
Yeah, might be the APIs.
Yeah, that's probably something to do with the ADS, the email offering. Don't worry about that now.
Yes. Okay. So so admin dashboard shows up all the info of all our products. It shows our gross revenue, net revenues, and if the stocks are on low, if there are no stocks, it's gonna show up here. So that's pretty much that's all. Yes. So does anyone have any questions? Then yes, anyone from online?
So when I put the items in the cart, it's coming up real good. But when I'm logging out, the items are still coming up in the cart. Is that like some kind of bug, or is it something else?
So basically, if you have something in the cart, when you even log out or close, when you come back, you should have the item in the cart always. That's supposed to be a feature.
It stays on the local store.
Yeah, it has to stay in the local. That's why we need to use this store persist for the cart. Yeah. But if after placing the order, cart should be empty though. So if item is still in the cart after placing the order, then that bug needs to be fixed.
And guys, could you please explain the Stripe workflow, please?
So it's pretty easy. You get your demo API code from stripe.com that they provided. Just integrate it, put it on. You have to create a controller, and we have put an API endpoint which is I think APIs. It should be payment slash Stripe, and when I put on controller, it goes through the demo APIs. So pretty much it's about controller and getting the APIs endpoint and integrating into the front end.
Thank you, Manoj. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Anybody who is watching this or for you guys, as a group project, we will always keep the e-commerce project as a group project. The reason is when you do e-commerce project, pretty much you will need to integrate every single feature that is required out there in the industry. So every feature is included. That's why we made this e-commerce so big now. If you just go and sell this product out there in market, it will at least $10,000-$15,000 after deploying it properly. So that's the reason we use e-commerce as a main group project, because it has enough feature for group to work, and it has a real life feature that you can learn that will be actually implemented in work life. So yeah, everybody gets to work in the e-commerce project. It's the question is who is going in the dev level to build it. This is one of the great project example. Good on you guys. Very good. Okay. So the next group is Dinesh, Mahesh, Shekhar, Kovid, and Satish. So they will be presenting their project. So all right, guys, I will let you do one thing. So since you guys are online, do share the screen. First, I want you to share your screen, the project manager, and then walk through the project detail, group detail in like very short sentences, and they will jump in, and then everybody can just, when you have your turn, introduce yourself, and the project manager explains entire feature they have, and then individually explains what are the features they have done it, and project manager in the meantime walk through that feature. All right, let's welcome to the online group.
Yeah, my space. Okay. Hi, everyone. My name is Mahesh. I was the project manager for this project. So we are proud to introduce our Fedora app and online store. We're using Stack, and we use some AI integrations like chatbots. So for client side, it has everything like sourcing, products, wishlist, secure cart, checkout with the Stripe payment. Talking about our project, so I was the team project manager, and Dinesh is Scrum Master, and Satish is DevOps leads, and for the deployments, Shekhar, and the UI UX, me and Dinesh. For the documentation lead, Kovid especially work on documentation part. So code review, it's all the member responsibility to review each other's codes, and QA testing is also same. Every member have to be participate. So as for our product owner, so yeah, basically this is our final internship project. So we have used everything we learned, work through challenges together, so learn how to build and launch the real application from coding to review to testing to everything. And this was all about the team effort. So I would like to thanks to our teams, Dinesh, Satish, Kovid, and then Shekhars. We also have a great thanks to our project owner Prem Acharya sir, who have guidance to make this project a really. And then I'll handle the next to Dinesh.
Thank you, guys. My name is Shekhar. I'm one of the team member of this project, and my role was deployment lead. And we have used following stack in our project. For the front end, we have used React, Redux, Tailwind, SAT-CN, Lucid, React, and Recharge. For the backend, Node.js and Express. For the database, we have used the MongoDB. And authentication, we have used JWT and Bcrypt for hashing the password before we say the password. And for the deployment, we have deployed our project on AWS EC2 and S3 bucket for the front end. And we have used the project management tool throughout our project to manage like all the teamwork and code flow. And AI integration, we have used OpenAI and Gemini SDK. For the payment integration, we have used the Stripe. So we have these functionality included in our project. Authentication using the JWT and product discovery, like users can view the product and filter the product by size, color, and price range. User, if they are logged in, they can add the product in the wish list. And we have a secure checkout, Stripe payment integration, and order tracking system as well. And sorry. We have the review system as well. So login user will be able to get the review. And also we have integrated the AI support in our app. So user can go to the AI support and ask some question if they have about our website or any products and tracking. And these are the admin feature, guys. So in the product management, we have all the CRUD operation. We can do any like admin user can do all the CRUD operation, and also the for the category as well. They can do all the CRUD operations. Same for the user. In user, we have a role-based access and administrator and order management as well. Like as the previous project guys shows, we can change the status of the order. Like if it's pending, we can change it to the ship tracking, and it can be real time tracker. And coupon management also we have introduced, like based on the promotion and stuff. If the promotion going on, we can give the coupon, and they can use and get some discount when they buying the product. I would like to invite Kovid for the next slide. Thank you, guys.
This is the system data flow of our project, where the customer and admin have interface. When the customer log in, he can see the interface of the project, the landing page, and user interacts with the React. We have used React for the front end, and for the database, we have used MongoDB. And to control the overall state across the project, we use the Redux state management tool. And for the backend, we used Node.js and Express.js to handle the business logic. And for database operations, we have used a non-SQL database system, MongoDB, and Mongoose is used to do some querying with the MongoDB. And for secure deployment, we have used JSON Web Token for authentication purpose. And to deploy, we have used AWS infrastructure. These are some of the screenshots of the project, where the left side we have seen you can see the customer experience, and where you can see the landing home page. And when the user logins, and he can go to product landing page and select the item in the cart and make payments. And we have also integrated the AI chatbot to ask regarding the orders and regarding the website. And on the right side, you can see the admin control panel, where in the admin he can see the overall stats of the products, and he can add the categories and delete the categories. And also he can approve the reviews given by the user, and he can also add the products. And these are the tasks which can be done by the admin.
Now I think Satish brother.
Thank you very much, Kovid. These are the challenges and the solutions that we have faced and solved during the project. And regarding the authenticity and security, the challenge we faced is JWT and Backward implementations. And we handle this by properly handling the tokens and refresh mechanisms. And another, we find the issue what happens for the performance optimizations for the large data sets. For the performance optimization, we use the MongoDB indexing and the server-side filterings. So most of the filtering is done from the server side. And another, in regarding the DevOps integrations, is we are learning the DevOps. We are not a fully DevOps guys, but somehow we managed to learn the DevOps basic ones. So there was how to set up the Docker, writing the ML file and AWS deployment. And hopefully we could manage by maintaining the CI/CD pipeline using the GitHub Actions. And for the backend, we have used EC2 instance, and for the front end we have used the S3 bucket. And regarding the payment integrations, we face the challenge while integrating the Stripe one and handling the real-time events. And the solution that we implement is we use the Stripe webhooks for secure real-time notification and error handling. And also there was much discussion on the category management, where we can so that it could be scalable. So maintaining the consistent hierarchical categories across all the products is the challenge. And the solution that we got is implement the structure where we have the child-parent-child relationships, so that we can add number of category and subcategory. And the last but not least, which is very important to work in the team collaborations, because we are using the Git as a Git version control. So and we guys are from the different locations, so it is time management is also our challenges, and working on the version Git control is another challenges. But somehow we managed to work on that. We managed to manage our time. There was proper communications through the WhatsApp and others. We have also used the ClickUp to assign the tasks also. And finally we have solved the Git problems and able to work in the team environment. I want to handle the Dinesh for the remaining presentations.
So thank you, Satish. My name is Dinesh Burathoki, and then in this project, my role was the Scrum Master. So as a Scrum Master, we divided our project into different sprints with the dedicated timeline, and then inside the sprints, we divided the tasks into small tasks and then assigned to all team members. So future enhancements. So we are planning to enhance the AI support with the voice support, multi-language chatbot, and advanced recommendation engine. And we are planning to integrate the global reach as well with the multi-language support and international payment gateways. And we are planning to make the mobile apps and real-time insights dashboard with the predictive analytics and then capabilities. And this is the QR code of our link. So I'm gonna show our project. So this is the home page of our project. So these are the categories. We got the men, women, kids, sales, and new features. And then these all categories are dynamic. We can change from the admin. So inside the men, we got the shoes and the clothing, and inside shoes, we got the all the kinds of shoes. And similarly, in the women as well, kids, sales, new features, and these are the latest product. So this is the all product landing page. So we can filter product by gender, price, sales and offer, color, brands. So we can select the color, size, and these are the recommended products according to this product. And it's added in the cart, and we can apply the promo code as well. So this is the checkout page. I am logged in, so it's not showing the options, but we can do checkout as a guest as well. So payment success page, and then we can see the order history here, and we can download the receipt, email the receipt, and then track the receipt. Even we can ask to AI support about our order. Yeah, it gives the answer. And
We have profile setting as well. We can change account details, delivery address, and profile pictures. And so even the guest user also can we have the checkout option. Guest checkout, save and checkout. Yeah, we can do that one as well. I think that's all.
You can show the review as well, Dinesh.
We are working on the review part, but we can put the review right now. But it's we are working on that one.
Is that it? Are we done?
Yeah, almost.
Oh, okay.
So this is the client side. We have the admin side. Mahesh will display the.
This is really good. Full blown project. I like that guest checkout feature as well as the download receipt, email receipt. Anything else you want to show? Otherwise, we will conclude your demonstration.
User can add in the wish list as well.
Yeah.
The login, they have option to add their product in the wish list if they like, but they must be logged in before that.
Okay. Yeah, just share. I think the link is already in the chat from the. I think we got the link from the QR code. But share if you have a live version. Still share the link in the chat. It will be, I think, available later on for anybody to use it.
Yeah,
We'll share the admin side, then we can share all together.
All right, take two, guys. Just take 2 more minutes to share the login, and then please wrap it up.
Let's say I've already put the email and password. Let me log in.
Mhm.
Now I'm in the dashboard. So this is our dashboard where admin can see everything's the sales overview, order per month, user type, order status, and the recent orders,
Hi.
the top product what had been sold. And these are the total sales. All are the dynamics. And go to category. This is the category section for user. Admin can create a new category from here. And then subcategory. If you go to click main, there is a level 2 category. Can add level 2 category here and edit, delete as well. And if you want to create a more category inside shoe, just expand, just click on add category. You can click and create a new category. So this is the category section. Now if I go to the product section, so this is the product management page. So admin can see all the listing product. Right now we have this product. And then if admin wants to create one product, he can create from here. Let's say let's try to create one product. Product name SPRT sports shoe. Category, let's I see the football shoe, man, and brand. I give Adidas. I give some text. So now here we have used AI to describe this production. So if I click here, it will now start generating. Now yeah, generate the description. So we don't have to fill our manual description. If you want to edit, you can edit, like give anything you can do. And then price, I can give some random price discount. Let's say 200. Stocks, we have 5 sizes. And then color, I choose this color. Status by default active. Choose thumbnail. Let me check, do I have any product photos? Yeah. Upload. Now the photo has been uploaded. You can view or either remove and upload new one. If I create product, sorry, it says let me check what it says. Let me handle here. I think the development not working. Let me try another one. Sports Adidas brand. Adidas. Let's say some tag description. Nice. 5 color. It's okay now. Choose one thumbnail. the image uploaded. Now create product. Now says product created successfully, but somehow it's not showing. I think they have some issue.
Refresh the page for a second.
Refresh to page, I think.
Okay, no problem. Just have a look what's about.
Yeah, I think
happens or is in the
okay,
demo.
is
So you
the order management from where admin can manage the order. Let's say order place, processing. It will do processing, pending, processing, refund, failure. And if you want to look whole details, just click here. It will show order details. And you can send the notes to customer as well. And then this is the user management from where user can create new user. Just add a new user details. And then this is the review part. So this is the review when the customer get a review, so it gets here. When admin give a, let's say there is one pending review, if admin approve, then only it show to the front end. And these are the coupon space, so admin can create a new coupons, edit coupons, activate or deleted coupon as well. And this is just the profile settings from where admin can update his details. Oh yeah, that's it. And this is the logout page. If I do logout, it will log out me. Yeah, this is our project.
That was really legit product. Try to showcase that product to any product owner, product manager, software engineer. They will really, really appreciate your effort. And that's amazing product. Now, these are both really, truly good projects. And really appreciate guys you putting a lot of effort. Now, the next thing is, remember, you have the skill, you have the project, you got the experience working in the team. Only next thing you need is to let other people know who is looking for someone like you. And you guys are very close to your dream job. Again, congratulations to all of you. Let me quickly share the screen. What's going to happen next? Again, congratulations, guys, for you both, the team and the other people who can come. So they're probably going to do in the next demo. So what happens next? So congratulations, guys. You guys are officially graduated. So we will provide the certification of completion. If you are here, you would receive like this. Let me see if I can show you. One of these things will be handed over to you soon. If you're online, you'll still receive the digital version of the certificate. And the next thing is, and you'll have now opportunity to participate in internship project where you'll be working with the real developers and other interns in the real project. So that project will showcase you have experience working in the team. So this is a group project. As part of the assignment, you'll be listing out that in the LinkedIn. Again, we're gonna just do a little bit of editing, put in the YouTube, and make sure you put this in your resume everywhere possible. And keep building it, make it the dream project of your life as a group project. Continue doing that. And now start working on your personal project, because team projects showcase your experience as a team, which is great, but you need to also build your personal project, which shows like you can build entire project and then yourself. And the next thing is, now you guys will be assigned to a placement officer, or myself working one-on-one level to find the roles, refer you on the connection, send out the blast email to all the company link we have. And now, as part of that, every time you have new job interview coming, you have pretty much unlimited interview requests if you want to do role play before you go to interview. And definitely you'll be joining our new alumni channel, which we just started from now. Soon I'll send you request. It is within our portal. So that's going to be a private group where only graduate will have access to. That means we can focus more on placement and other support side. All right. Congratulations, guys. With that saying, again, thank you. Now we'll just do a quick handover certification to our only 2% here in person. We'll just do certificate handover and then we'll complete that. So you guys get to see that as well. So what I'll do, I'll just put it there, and someone can you come and help with that? Ashan, you can come help with that. Yeah, you take a photo. Okay, so you can just leave it there. So it's part of the group project and past the one you past project you saw. So yeah. Bibek, I want to hand over this certification to Bibek. Please welcome Bibek here. Congratulations, Bibek, for your hard work. And I believe it was not easy for you. I hope you learned a lot and then ready for the job pursuit. Here's what you deserve. All right, give a round of applause to Bibek. Okay. Congratulations, Bisesh, for completing this certificate. And we have Manoj Adhikari here, guys, who also did really hard work again. Congratulations. Everybody did the hard work. There you go. Congratulations again, Manoj, for your hard work. This guy has, I mean, every student does the hard work I see, but this guy have done more than anybody in person, like the hard work. Okay, very valuable for the company. All right, congratulations. And for those online, you will receive an email with the certification, digital certification. And if you want to come down in the office anytime, you will be given the frame certification as well. Okay. Yes, with that saying, congratulations again. That's all. It's part of the demo and certification. I love to see in the private community. Thank you. I think since we here, just for the record, guys, anybody just want to share your one sentence of your journey? Okay, just got that quick idea. That would be really maybe appreciated.
Yeah, actually, my starting journey, I got about Dented Code from one of my friend. He told me to join because my PR situation was completely different. To get PR, so I had to do a job in my field. So I thought it should be better to get into full stack development, and I met Prem Acharya, and I was very excited at the beginning. But even in the beginning, my health was also not supported. Like I have several issues with that as well. So in the beginning, it was like, okay, it's going like, because I am a good student from the even from the beginning. I'm a good student. I am quick learner as well. But in that time, it's because of my health, it was completely off. But some of the things I can able to manage. For after 6 months of training, uh, after that, we got to show a project to get the certificate from the Dented Code. So, and I started little bit in the beginning, and then I got to know that there are some issues like PR issues. So I thought I stopped preparing the project for a couple of months, like almost 4 to 5 months. And then we got some clarification from the immigration that is going to get the visa. So then I decided, so this time, no more other options. So I decided to do the project, and I started building on it. And now I'm very happy that I got appreciation from Premacharya, because whenever I used to go to, he asked me to, you are 50% okay, you are 30% okay at the beginning. But he said, I just did a fantastic job. So thank you so much, Prem. That's my journey.
Yes, great to hear that, because you definitely didn't come like from the wealth of experience or knowledge in programming, right?
Yeah, yes.
And also you come through the personal issues, visa issues, but you
Yep.
didn't quit, you know?
Yes.
So that make you like special. So look, everybody has their own timeline, and you
Yeah.
have your now. While everything is settling down, it's time for you to crack yours up. And I wish you good luck. And remember, we are here to help. We'll do anything, everything, whatever we can to help you. You keep grinding from your side, so we're gonna help you until you land the job. Okay?
I've got something to say. I'm Ulyss. I've recently joined the community, so yeah, I'm seeing a lot of people like me. It used to be just me in the past, and I'm seeing a lot of people trying their level best, doing what they can. So I'm really proud of you guys, because I know what it takes to create that big of a project. Because I doing even simple projects in my past time, I've known like what it feels to be stuck with a bug for like days and days, and you finally figure out that missing s or something very simple, and it's very frustrating. Sometimes you decide to almost quit, and then you not quit, and then you keep building projects, and you feel happy at the very moment. At the end, it's all worth it. I'm so glad that I'm in this community, and I can see everybody doing their best. Your projects really inspired me as well. And if you're giving me kind of feeling of positive competition, where I am competing against you guys, but in a positive way. So really inspiring. Thank you so much, guys, for your hard work.
No worries. Again, thank you for the nice word, Ulyss. Mas, just if you want to share anything.
Especially the group project, I have learned a lot, because when you go to the industry, you have to work in a group. So basically, team management is the essential thing which I learned from this project. And the main thing is the version control GitHub. So how to solve if there is a merge conflict. So I learned that much, very thing. So thank you so much for that, sir.
Okay, Shekhar, you are next. If you have anything to share about your journey.
Thank you so much, Prem, for all your support. Just want to let you know, I never written the code before. Like I did like a Python training from somewhere else, which I did not really understand the much concept. So, but that definitely helped me to understand, because in the first time when you learn the code, you cannot understand everything. So when you redo again and again and again, then only you can like be confident. So now I'm pretty confident, and with this project we learned so many things which we did not had opportunity to work to learn in solo. We learned because we were a part of the online team, which is like need lots of dedication and stuff. Like sometimes we feel okay, there is no much opportunity, or it's really hard. Sometimes days and days spent on the one bug, but and we were like totally depend on these videos coming for the course to go forward. But with this project we have learned a lot and implemented so many feature we which we have never done before, and your support was very, very important in that. I really appreciate for your support. Thank you so much, Prem.
Okay, again, thank you for the nice word, and then that was a good. Congratulations again for the hard work.
Yeah, and team also was very dedicated. Sometimes we stay back for 3 o'clock in the morning, which is not easy without dedication. So we have come a very long way, and I wish all the best for all our team and other team members as well. And yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you. All right. Next, Dinesh.
First of all, I want to say thank you for you. You helped
Thank you.
me a lot. And then thank you for everybody, all team members. So it was quite challenging, but we made it. Thank you for everybody. That's all.
Okay, thank you. All right, good on you. Hi, Kovid. Do you want to share any of your journey?
Yeah, I would like to thank you for your support throughout this journey to learn regarding this one stack developer, full stack, and also for the team members who have supported in building the project. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Guys, what I always say in the graduation is that, okay, I'm going to get 2 more other person here as well to get the feedback, but I just want to let you know, it's not goodbye. This is just one step unlocked at Dented Code. So unless and until you land the job, you are still part of the students group, and let's work together until you get the job. So you have all the services and support available until you get the job. I really hope you'll get your job very soon.
Even if we get a job, we still need your help, Prem. And
Okay, I'm here. It's because you need it.
yeah,
Yeah.
thank you.
From this camp, after coming here, I go through a lot of things and a lot of experiences. Which I couldn't have learned if I was doing myself. So I recommend everybody to come here and join this session. And great friends is really helpful, and it is a very in a fun way and very entertaining way. So you will learn so much faster. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, Bibek, can you come here and then give your
Thank you, Prem sir. Thank you, Yasin sir. Thank you, Asma. I didn't knew that I could come this level. I would not say I'm still an experienced one, but I have come a long way, not knowing how to write a HTML line to simply helping create a full stack web application. So I would like to thank each and everyone, especially my partner Manoj, who was dragging me all the way to finish the project. So I would like to say the one thing that I learned from here is repetition is the key, and always remember to read the document before you do anything, because that will save you a lot of time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you again. Thank you. Thank you, Bibek. Yes, Manoj.
Yeah.
Yes, tell me about who you are before and then like your experience here and now what you have become.
So a new portal has opened for me. Like it isn't just about making full stack. Now it just opened a new opportunity for me. Like it opened a new door for me. For example, for before I finished my degree, I didn't pretty much know what to do. So after coming to Dented Code, my 6 month journey has been pretty amazing, right? And I'm able to now in my mind I'm thinking to make a forum page or any sort of sign-in page or even every sort of page that comes on the website that I found a way to I found a path on how I can develop it, and it's just not my limitation. I would say that if I can do this, I can even go higher. So thank you, Dented Code has everyone, especially Prem sir and Asen sir. Thank you so much. It was not very easy. I mean, every day writing on a paper everything, and um, it's been I would say it's been difficult, but I'm really proud of myself. Now I think my ethics will change, and I will pursue more things that are the world has to offer in IT tech. Yes.
All right. Okay.
Thank you.
Come on, give me a round of applause, Steve. Good. All right. So yeah, last, I just want to ask on a quick 2-minute review.
So yeah, congratulations everyone. So for providing us with beautiful projects, right? So congratulations for all the online group. Even though they were online, they created such beautiful project. Even they haven't made, I don't think they have made any one in person, right? So that's a good job on you. So keep learning, and if you have any problems, anything, come to us. We are always there to help you, and keep reaching that goal a little bit higher every day, right? So yeah, thank you everyone, and congratulations again.
Again, last word. Don't stop learning. Always look for the hard part first. Repeat what you don't know until you know it. All right. With that saying, guys, I'll see you next. Bye-bye. I wish you good luck. Hey, guys, wasn't that amazing? You'll be surprised with what I'm going to share in a couple of minutes. Thank you for watching our demo day and graduation highlights. Now, our graduates are closer than ever to their dream tech jobs. As you've seen already, they build real-world solo and group projects. And someone from the demo day actually got the job offer while we editing and uploading this video. And I'm super excited about that. You guys should check one of the upcoming videos. How awesome is that? He got the software development job right after graduation from Dented Code Bootcamp. And crazy part is that he hasn't finished his university, which is finishing next week. Think about, if you just apply for a job with just a degree versus strong project development skill like what you have seen in the demo, who do you think would get the job offer? Exactly. But here's the truth, guys. This is just the one part of the equation to land the job. Actually, you need 3 things in order to land the job in IT. 1. Project development skills. You need to have a professional project development skill like what you have seen, that you shouldn't have shown. Number 2, job search strategy. You need to know how to get job offer, otherwise there is no jobs, right? That's why we have created a dedicated session on how to get the job offer even without applying. And 3 is interview skills. Guys, think about, you have the skills and you get the job offer, but if you don't know how to crack the interview, you'll never have a job. That's why we had created this dedicated career coaching session to prepare a student with the job interview, and we have a one-on-one mentor to help students practice the interview before they go to the job so that they have higher chance cracking the job. When you combine all these 3 skills, you'll become unstoppable, guys. You can land the job anywhere at any time. So if you are struggling to break into AI or software development, regardless whether you have skill or not, join our upcoming class and let us help you secure your dream job in tech. Click the link below to apply. Once we receive the application, one of our career coach will contact you. And that's gonna be one of the most valuable and eye-opening career discovery sessions for you. In the career discovery session, we will try to understand your current career status, future career goal, and see what we can do to help you. Seats are limited, and once the class is full, we cannot take more enrollment. So go ahead, click the link, apply now, and I'll see you on the other side.